Hello, my name is Joe Strickland. I'm with Hercules Tires, and from 1952, we are a brand right here in America, and we're going to be focusing in on a couple of products. All right, these are going to be great options for your overland build. We're going to start off with the Hercules Terra Trac ATX Venture. This is a 60,000 mile all-weather tire, right? We have a 3-peak mountain snowflake designation on this product, and of course, it comes with a 2-year road hazard. This is going to be an ideal product to go off-roading in, and then excellent road manners right back when you hit the pavement. All right, moving along down our lineup today, we have the ATX Journey. Now with this tire here, this is going to be a little bit more of a mild all-terrain. It's going to have a little bit better road manners for you here as well. Now this tire also will continue to have a 60,000 mile tread life warranty, a 3-peak mountain snowflake designation, and of course our 2-year road hazard policy that comes with our products. Now, one thing I want to talk to you about is we have these long circumferential grooves, which are going to be excellent for water evacuation. It's going to give you a little bit better road manners along the way. And of course, we've got that high density siping in each tread block. All right, moving on, this is going to be the final tire we talk about here today. This is the TIS TT1 by Hercules Tires. What we did for this product here is we actually teamed up with TIS Wheels for a nice co-branding of product. And we're very excited to bring this new tire to the marketplace. This tire here in particular has some key features, including excellent siping within each tread block, stone ejectors, tie blocks to keep rigidity and increase mileage of this product. And then we have 2 distinctive sidewalls on this tire here as well. And then of course, if you can see here within this sidewall, we incorporate the TIS logo as well, which moves along to the wheel itself, right? So you can see how the co-branding of the product works in conjunction.